Let me show you how to transform this regular bar soap from Dollar Tree into some beautiful soap decor that you can use as a gift or in your guest bathroom. Here we go. You're going to want some regular square-shaped white bars of soap. You can grab these anywhere. These are Jergens. They came in a 3-pack for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. I'm just using a sanding block to take down a little bit of that wording that is embossed on each bar of soap, just to kind of get us started. This is the fun part. Choose your favorite napkins. This one has a really cute saying that says, "Welcome to our home." Just cutting out around the actual part of the design that I want for the soap, making sure that it fits on the front of the bar of the soap, and then trimming it down accordingly. Now, you can mix and match your bars of soap. This is where the creativity comes in. Now, I am going to use napkins, so we're going to peel away the extra layers using my nifty tape method, and it's super easy. You just put a piece of tape on the back of the napkin and peel off all of the layers except for the final one that you're going to use. Now you're going to take some regular Mod Podge and put a generous amount on the front of the bar of soap, and then just gently lay your napkin design right there on top of the soap. I don't want to mess with it too much, it might tear, so you can use a Ziploc baggie or plastic wrap to put between you and your fingers to make sure that it is tamped down well. Now I'm taking a second design and a second napkin. I made sure that it fit the bar of soap by tracing it out first with a pencil, and then I'm going to repeat that tape peel away method to get down to the final layer of this design as well for the bar of soap. It's super easy with, again, a piece of tape just on any corner, and then just peel away the layers. It's kind of fun. So once you have your design, again, you're going to apply the Mod Podge in a generous layer right there on top of the bar of soap, and simply add your napkin design. Listen, this is the easiest DIY you could ever come across, and it is perfect for a gift. Just think of all the creative napkin designs out there that you could use for this, and get creative with it. So you're going to want to make sure you kind of put a little Mod Podge on the sides just to seal it a little bit, and then you're going to let it dry. Now this is the final design that I chose, and it actually had 2 layers. So I chose this little trim layer. It's a MacKenzie-Childs napkin. I'm going to link all of those below. And then I thought this little bumblebee was the cutest thing ever. I peeled all of its layers off as well, and then I added it to my bar of soap. You, again, can get super creative with all the designs and layering the designs like I'm doing here, and creating just your own little masterpiece bar of soap. Now, the top layer, you're going to want to add 1 to 3 layers of Mod Podge on the top of each bar of soap, and then let it thoroughly dry. This should dry clear. I used the matte Mod Podge because I didn't want a shiny finish, but you can use any of the Mod Podges that you like for sealing the top of this. Now you can still use your bars of soap, but mostly I keep them for looks, you know, kind of like the towels that are just for looks, guest towels. Well, this is guest soap. These turned out so cute. Now I decided to display mine in a dough bowl. I added a little bit of this pink Himalayan bath salts and DIY bath bombs. I'll link those below. And then I just put some faux florals in there as well. I love these little bars of soap. They make the perfect gift. What do you think? If you like this DIY, subscribe to my channel below and watch this next video where I share what I found at the Dollar Tree.